visitors, can help like once we get this final seat, please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times, and parents supervise your children. Children supervise your parents. I don't trust them. Someone should probably supervise me. If someone trusts me, we're clear. So let's head out of here. So everybody pick up your favorite hand and wave goodbye to those pretty people on the dock. Bye, pretty people. Don't be rude, but the ugly ones too. Bye, skids. Bye. Now wave goodbye to each other. Not sure how much farther we're going to make it. Alright, welcome aboard the world famous Jungle Cruise. We are world famous for being famous around the world. My name is Skipper Macy. That is first name Skipper, last name Macy, and I'm going to be your skipper, your tour guide and instructor, your lion tamer, and if you don't laugh at my jokes, your swim coach. Off to a great start. Okay, so right now we're in the Amazon rainforest. So we look out, we're going to see some Amazonian butterflies. Now their wingspan averages from 1 foot to a whopping 12 inches. So we call them the rulers of the jungle. They are real monarchs. May not seem too exciting though, butterflies just not what they used to be. Caterpillars. And right over here we have Inspiration Falls. Now you might be wondering, Skipper Macy, why do you call it Inspiration Falls? Well, the longer you stare at it, the more it inspires you to go. Deeper and deeper to the jungle that is. Everybody say ooh. Everybody say ah. Well, I know about you, but sure sounds like inspiration to me. We're going to make our way down the Congo River now, so let's see how far we can go. Now, quick question. Who here has seen the Jungle Book before? Raise your hand. Okay, great if you don't worry. It's totally okay if you haven't. There it is. The live-action 3D box set. Pretty neat. Oh, friends, make sure we have it on our back pockets facing forward, please, friends. So the ones on our back pockets facing forward for me. Thank you. All right, we're now going to make our way to boat swings and bites. We have some great boat rentals here. We offer standard paddles and premium, but it's really either or. Yeah, you can never decide. Canoe. No, oh no, guys, this is so embarrassing. That's my ex. Oh, wait, no, that's a snake, sorry. They just look and act exactly alike. And they're really constricting relationships. I should have got wrapped up in it. Those little gorillas have gone bananas. Doesn't seem too appealing to me, though, so I think we should split out of here. Now, hope you like banana jokes. I have a bunch. We're going to start making our way down the Nile River now. Now, the Nile is one of the longest rivers in the world. It goes on for Niles. And Niles. And Niles. And Niles. And Niles. And if you don't believe me, you're in
the Nile.
A boat. That's obvious. Right over here, we have an African wool elephant. Now, a fun fact about elephants, they actually have the best memory of any animal in the jungle. Wish I had a memory like that. I'll leave my job. These are also extremely rare creatures. We are so lucky. You'll never see another one just like that. That's my grandmother in an elephant costume. Hey, buddy, make sure you're staying fully seated for me, please. Friends, I need this little one right here to be fully seated in the red. Little one's got to be fully seated. Thank you. All right, we're now going to come on the African belt. Don't worry, though, I am a certified animalologist, so I can name all the animals for you guys. All right, we have some double unicorns, some long-necked cheetahs, some stripy horsies, a few dense chickens, and oh my gosh, guys, look at those big kitty cats watching over that sleeping stripy horse. He looks dead. Tired. Dead. Tired. Please make sure we're staying fully seated, friends. We need a little one fully seated. Thank you. Yeah, I wonder what's going to that stripy horse's head right about now. Probably teeth. Now let's get out of here. Let him rest in peace. Now, I've been looking for these guys all day. Alright, that one at the bottom right there, that is Skipper Felix, his first day. Probably going to be his last. You know, he asked me for some advice this morning, but I just said, you know what, Skipper Felix, just hang on. You'll get the point in the end. But what do I know? Now, I have heard a rumor recently that these waters are infested with alligators. But don't worry, though, don't worry. That's a croc. Right over there is Smiley and Ginger. Just be careful. Ginger snaps. Yeah, she's one tough cookie. I know the joke is kind of crummy, but I'm going to milk it for all it's worth. Now, the guys in front of you, you're going to see one of the most beautiful sights you've seen all day. And behind me is Spicer Falls. Now, as we pass by Spicer Falls, you are going to feel a light mist. Makes you really soak that in. So nice and refreshing, right? Well, fun fact, that mist contains over 300 types of jungle bacteria. It's a free little souvenir we ought to take home. Now people will ask me, Skipper Macy, how did you land this job? I think it's pretty plain to see. I took a crash course, and I've kind of been winging it ever since. This is the tail end of my story, though, and my career has never really took off. Tell you guys what, though, the hardest part of flying a plane? The ground. We are now entering a pool of hungry hippos. It's a good thing I lost my marbles ages ago. Guys, like 6 of those left me, but don't worry, only 5 of those survived. I'll scare them off like I scared away my first boyfriend. Yeah, we'll never see them again. Now people tell me, Skipper Macy, your job is just so easy, a monkey could do it. Although they're chimps. Now, fun fact for you guys, did you know that humans eat more bananas than chimpanzees? I mean, it sounds crazy, but it checks out. I don't remember the last time I ate a chimpanzee. Oh, great. Tell you guys what, this is not something you see every day. Unless you're me. In that case, you see it every single 12 minutes. Now I've been around, and around, and around. Alright, now get your cameras ready. It is the moment you've all been waiting for. It's the amazing, the exciting, the colossal, the one, the only. Put your hands together for the eighth wonder of the world, the next side of water! Chemistry jokes? Yeah. No, it's O2, it's backwards, it's backside of water. Don't get it. Don't worry, I know comedy's hard. But we must be in the Mekong River now. And the symbol is Mekong Me Nervous. Who here thinks we should not go in? Raise your hand. Should not go in. Alright, well, it's not a democracy. However, it is pretty dark in there. So make sure you keep your eyes open. Mine will be shut. Back actually the most dangerous part of our journey, the return to civilization. So please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times, and parents supervise your children. Now this right here, friends, is Skipper Megs. And Skipper Megs is going to put a rope on this boat. So that means please do not stand up until that second stop. Again, do not stand up until stop number 2. This right here is just stop number 1. So Skipper Megs, how long have you been training to rope a boat for? Half a day. Wow, it's a lot more training than I have. If I see fully seated stare Skipper Megs, she works best under peer pressure. Alright, get ready, fully seated. Rope secure. Alright, now we gotta teach this rope a lesson. So 2 plus 2 is 22. 22 plus 22 is 2,222. The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. And like my parents told me on my 18th birthday, get out. Aww, thank you for the applause. It really makes my ego. Put your head on. Now use that handrail. Please don't cross over this in a crate. It's not a great idea. It's a fire hazard.